HVACR, heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and refrigeration. If you want your house warm, you want it cool, you go out to a restaurant, you want to get ice, that's made by refrigeration.
As our current technicians begin to age out and move toward retirement, there's a strong need for new young professionals.
HVAC in the hospital setting, it's highly technical because we are trying to take care of such a wide range of things. Chillers and boilers, heat exchangers and pumps down to the thermostats. There's no way to just figure out systems like that. So you need to have that educational component in order to build your base knowledge.
I'm a general manager in a mechanical company. We're always looking for people wanting to get into the industry. Well, this program gives them those basic building blocks of those theories. You can't teach those on a job. It takes time to learn the theory and then apply it with your hands out on the job site.
The professors have been great. They usually have their own jobs in the workforce and they come here and teach us after, and they've just been really good with all the hands-on learning and the lectures too. Really just taking things apart, seeing what's inside of it, and then just figuring out how to put it all back together.
I learned best doing like hands-on and stuff like that, so coming down here after the lecture and looking at everything, you learn how to troubleshoot these systems, and basically it gives me more confidence.
One day I do want to have my own HVAC company, and this is just a good start to me getting into that kind of field.
I think there's a great value of going into a technical career or a skilled trade field. You have a limited amount of school that you're investing in compared to a four-year institution. Usually that involves on-the-job training as well, which at times you can be paid for.
I've been in the industry since I've been 19. This has provided me the ability throughout my career for a great living. I'm proud of what I do, and I really enjoy what I do. I get a lot of satisfaction. I'm giving a lot back to people when I go and do my job for them.